So welcome back to our another video, day 3 of our challenge, and I want to discuss something important with you guys, that we have a change of plan because I have decided to focus more on my startup number 2 than working as a freelancer on Fiverr, Upwork, etc. Because you can do those tasks on the weekend as well, but I think this task has a lot of potential. So I'm going to focus more on my startup number 2. Let me tell you why. So basically I can work on Fiverr and Upwork on Saturday maybe, because they don't need as much work as my startup number 2 needs, because for my startup number 1 Core Creative Studio I have almost done everything. Now only thing needed for it to run is to get clients, which can easily be done by ads and marketing, because I have a fully functioning website for it. We have a website for it, social page, media content such as promotional videos and ads are also present there. All right, so yeah, I think we should focus more on our starter number 2, and today our plan is to make a website for it today, the most important part for this startup. And it's going to be fully functional. It is going to have a front end, back end, and it is fully functional to operate and can handle large clients as well, with billing transactions as well. And last but not the least, we have to make a 3D website for it, like the background in 3D. All right, so let's get started. So yeah, let's start our planning. All right, so we are gonna start working on our next step of making a website. So let's start the planning for our website. So what should our website have? So I think plan. Alright, so let's start our planning. So plans for website and a backend for our website is important. So yeah, this one was for the explanation. Now, what features should our website have? Alright, so let's discuss with it. Mobile first responsive layout, SEO. Alright, so yeah, let me tell him. So as a web developer, we should design our website in such a way that works fully functional on mobile and laptop both, because we don't know the user is using whatever device. It should be comfortable for it on mobile and laptop perfectly. Secondly, 3D backgrounds in the website for our website related to our work. So I will show you guys what is my plan. 3D background is done, and fully functional backend, back end, 5 pages, 5 web pages actually. 5 web pages. What are those web pages? Home. So 5 web pages are gonna be home, plans, about us, contact us, Gmail buttons, and our WhatsApp buttons appear on it. A special portal for our members where they can get access of our recorded lectures and resources and daily links of our classroom. But that portal is divided into tiers, to separate tiers. The most basic one only allows to have you access to links of our daily classes. Mid tier allows you to have access to classes links as well as our recorded lectures on Google Drive. And premium tier has an access to everything: recorded lectures, daily links, and a chat button to directly keep user in touch with me. The chat feature is also available for mid-tier, but only a limit of 10 messages per month. Alright, now we have to make a payment section. Remember what happened? Remember, LMS or the feature above has a unique button and only appears when user buys our subscription. Alright, we need to figure out a method of payment to be done on our website. Figure out a method of payment to be done for our website via MasterCard, Visa, credit card, or direct bank account. Alright, direct bank account. Tell me its method. Direct bank account. Alright, last feature was the one that I'm forgetting. Make a prompt for it. I want Google AI Studio to make it. So yeah, what our demands are: perfectly working website on mobile and laptop, 3D background and website for our website related to our work, fully functional backend, 5 web pages, contacts, buttons for our instant content, Gmail. Alright, it has given us a fully functional prompt. Now let's give it, and we're gonna create our own, and the one we're gonna make it Google AI Studio. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, let's just copy it. Now let's open Google AI Studio. Where it is, here it is. And we forgot to add one thing, that only a specific user account, my Google account, can send links and all the things which a group admin for WhatsApp, like a WhatsApp group, can in that LMS. Alright, let me just switch account. Now let's see where it creates its apps, a website I mean. Alright, so here it is, this whole prompt. Now let's see how it goes. Alright, so I given the whole prompt to Google AI Studio, and now I'm gonna give the same prompt to Lovable. Lovable is also an AI which is used to make websites. It will just take a while. Alright, I'm gonna paste a prompt here. Here we go. I think it's beyond our credit limit. So you know what, let's skip Lovable, focus on Google AI Studio, and while it makes this website, we should try and make our own one. Get our way. Website. So AI knows the way I operate. Now we're gonna make it our own, like we're gonna write its code and run it in our way from scratch. So we're gonna create a new folder, internal storage, Visual Studio Code, and we're gonna create another folder, Neural Craft. It is Neural Craft create. So yeah, we're gonna open Code Studio now. Code Studio it is, new HTML file, index.html, Alright, our index page is fully ready. Now let's paste our code in it. Here we go. So right now it feels like pretty much basic, but let me show you how it will work. So yeah, this is our Code Creative Studio website. I don't know if you guys have seen it. It's just 2.0 version where we have already made one. So yeah, you can see this is our website for our first startup. Let's open our project. Visual Studio Code, Neural Graph Index open. Alright, let this one go. Now we're gonna make a CSS file, style one, which will style out all our work. We should. Till then, let's see what our. So you can see it's making a background index.css just like we are doing, but we're making it a little bit intermediate type. It is extremely pro. Now this is our glass formalism and responsive layout, which is going to be in styles.css. Alright, new CSS file, styles.css, Visual Studio Code, Neural Craft, select, create, and paste it right here. Now let's see. Now when I run it, the file, just wait a second. It's working correctly. Style.css. Alright again. Oh, just wait a second. Let me add the JavaScript in it as well. I think. So yeah, I did some changes in the code, and now you can see this is how our landing page of the website looks like. It's not good, but it's just a concept, right? Now what we're gonna do is make put data in our website. Let's start with it. So yeah, this is our landing page, and we will start more work on it tomorrow.